Hello everyone. So our team name is brood.force.ks and we are going to present our idea Nurse You. So by reading the problem statement given by Optum Healthcare, we figured that most of the peoples need 24/7 like guidance or caretaking, like senior citizens or cerebral palsy people or the people who can't like people who depend on others. So what we are going to present is we will cover all the problems that you stated in your problem statements in our proposed model. So the Nurse You will contain many modules. So the first module is RoboCare Android app. This will cover most of the parts like mobility assistant by making a gesture controlled wheelchair. And then I'm going to show the RoboCare app. So as you know, in most of the cases, like the cerebral palsy people need to call their caretakers to clean their drool or for any emergency. So how they can call since they don't know how to speak? So we have created a model through which you can ring a alarm in your caretakers or your family members mobile while you are like if you want something or if you want to call them. This can be used by dumb people also who can't talk. So yeah. So by opening mouth, you can play the alarm. You can see in the database the value changed to 1 and see alarm is, so the alarm goes on. So this alarm will go on in the app which is with the caretaker. So this is a very good feature. And you see within 1 second, this system used to go as like it is a real time database system. Then it solves all these problems through our robo app, and these are the product features that like it can battery sense, caretaking alarm, monitoring body temperature. So we have used IoT devices also, and Devansh is having the hardware. He will be changing the values, and we can see the in the app here like he have placed his finger on the temperature sensor, so we can see the temperature 97.2 Fahrenheit. Devansh, can you keep your finger on the pulse rate so we can see your pulse rate?
Sure, Ayush. Just a sec.
Yeah.
Okay. So I am keeping my finger on the temperature sensor. So now I have kept it. It's 97.3. Now it will soon recognize my temperature. 98.3. Now it has become 98.6, 98.7.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I hope it's not 99.
Yeah.
Okay, it's 97. Okay, so now let's check the heartbeat sensor. Ayush, I'm putting my finger on the heartbeat sensor.
Okay.
Uh,
So basically
So,
for this, what we have used is we have connected the IoT system and the Android data, like the Android system, both with the Firebase database, which is real time in nature. So it will be within seconds. So you can see the heartbeat is changed here. Now, moving on, we'll go to the like we have provided all the architecture. Due to time constraint, I'm just moving on. You can pause the video and study the architecture. These are the IoT device architecture or the blueprint that we used to create, like this is a heartbeat sensor and this is the temperature sensor. Then coming to the uh, yeah then coming to the another module, which is text to speech module. Like we have created a module in which you can in which you can move your eyes and move your head for the sensing, like for controlling the mouse. So you can see here the all the operations can be seen here: left, right, up, down. Okay. So with the help of this we can type something on the keyboard. So we have made a binary keyboard. Through this, that like cerebral palsy people who can't speak, like they can also speak. So you can see if we want to like write hello, so you can just follow the binary keyboard. So basically this is binary search, so it will be take big of log and time, that is log of 26. And log of 26 means 4 to 5 words in a second, which is faster than the Stephen Hawking's machine also, which takes about 9 words in a like in a minute. And here,
Hello.
Yeah, as you can see, there is a speak section also, and these all buttons take a hover over, like hover functionality. You only have to hover the cursor on it, and it will sense the operation. Now, Elio will be explaining you the chat system which he has built. So this chat system is built for the people who can't like really go outside and communicate with their friends, like cerebral palsy people. So they can move the mouse pointer with the help of the model that we have created. And you can see that in diabetic column, if I can write anything and chat with my doctor. So this the same keyboard can be used by the like the one which I showed previously can be used in this system, and this is real time system. So you can see Dr. Devansh is typing, and everything is like you can communicate with your doctor, and you can communicate with your friends. There are direct message options also, so you can directly message to your friends also. And in the mouse control system, if you right blink, you will get a right click. Okay, then there is a food allergy model. I will show you the demo first for the food allergy model. So you can see this is the food allergy model. We will execute it, and like for instance, we will be taking this pizza as the um, input image, and we will like let's say this is the food that the patient is going to have. So we will be assuming that the we will be having the database of the patient's allergies, and if the ingredients involved in his food is like comes under his allergic symptoms, or in the food items which he is allergic to, it will give you a warning. So as you can see, the yeah, the model has been completed its work. So the scanned food result is pizza, and its ingredient you can see here, and the warning says that your food contain following allergic ingredients, that is gluten, parsley, and bacon. So you can basically skip this. Like you can cross check with your chef before eating the food. Okay, so Devansh, can you explain the yeah, can you explain the
Okay, yes.
visualization part that you have
Okay.
performed?
So due to time constraints, we'll have to move it a bit fast. So Ayush, can you scroll up a bit? Then we can continue.
Yeah.
Sure, great. Okay, so this is the food. So this is the basic visualization of the food and the model for food prediction that we built. So basically, we use a lot of libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, etc., etc. So as you can see, the first head that we have printed, that first head shows a list of all the allergies, and it categorizes itself as a plant based, or they are animal based, or any other product based allergies. So moving further, if you can see the class distribution of that, so you can see I guess around 70% of the allergies are generally plant originated, and the rest are animal or mineral originated. Now as you can see here on the left hand side, there are allergies categorized according to the products. For example, allergies due to cereal or grain, aquatic animals, fruits, vegetables, etc., etc., tea, soup, etc. And on the right hand side, we can see all the allergy counts or different types of allergies, like allergy due to legumes, allergy due to minerals, allergy due to other factors, etc., etc. So due to time constraints, we'll have to move forward now. And I'll like to hand it back over to Ayush. Ayush, let's move it forward.
So okay. So also we have made a query system through which the patient can query. Elio, can you explain this first?
Yes, so we have used the BERT model, which is developed by Google. So we have taken a pre-trained model, and we have used it using NLP to train data, and then we have the data is basically in the form of paragraphs or text excerpts. So we are trying to query all the data using questions, and we are getting automatic feedback from it. So the main engine behind it is the BERT model.
Yeah. Also, the CSV which were
Okay.
giving to us, we just followed the clustering part, k-mean clustering, and we figured it out that k is equal to 15, like 15 neighbors can be figured it out, and a prediction can be made for a generalized patient who is suffering from the same allergy, and he will be given that medication. So yeah, so these are the clustering part, and we
Okay.
have all
Yeah.
we have
So
yeah.
now in order to sum our presentation up, we like to show you what we aspire for the future of this product. Ayush, if you can quickly move on to the wheelchair PPT, wheelchair video.
Right.
So okay, so we recorded this video. This is what we imagine.
This three.
So yeah,
This set has been given as up. So the input is now one, and both the wheels are moving.
So this was the wheelchair that we have created, and this can be moved by the hand chairs, and like the cost is
so yeah.
approx $241, so it is very cheap. So as a conclusion, we like to say that this will be a complete nurse to a paralytic or a senior citizen, and it will come under $241, so it is quite like reasonable also. So thank you all of you.
Thanks a lot.